Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Joshi. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to play the tabs for a latest hit song. It's a song called Paniyon Sa, which is sung by Atif, and it is from the movie Satyameva Jayate. Great shout out goes to Ari Memon, Saksham Juneja and Diya Das for requesting this song. The tabs are very easy and very melodious. So yes, we'll be doing it on single string, the first string, and yeah, let's get started. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Okay everyone, so the first line of the song was like this. Right, we'll break it down into two parts, and it starts on 4th fret of first string with 2 strokes, 6, 8, 10, again 10 and 11. Then after a long pause, again play 11, 10, 11. Then give a stroke on 10 and slide up to 8. Stroke on 10. 2 strokes on 8. 6, 8. So this will be the first part, and how you are going to play that is right. Now let's move to the next part. It starts on 11th fret of first string. Give a stroke on 11 and hammer pull on 13. 10, 11. 10, 11. 10 and hammer pull off 11. 8 and slide to 6. 2 strokes on 6. So the second part was like this. Right, let's join both the parts. You have to play both these parts one more time. So let's join both the parts and play this line together. Let's do one more time. Right, so the next part of the song was like this. Okay, so it starts on 15th fret, 15, 13, 11 and slide up to 8. Play this one more time, 15, 13, 11 and slide up to 8. Again give a stroke on 8 and slide on 10. 10 and hammer on 11, stroke on 11, 13, 11, 10, 3 strokes on 8, slide on 10. So what the playing is The next line is also pretty much similar, but there is a slight change in the last part. It goes like this. Starts again on 15th fret. Till here it is exactly the same. After this, give 2 strokes on 6th fret and slide down to 8. Right, so what you're playing for the second part is right. I hope you got that. After this, do like this. Right, so give 2 strokes on 6th fret, 8, 2 strokes on 10, 3 strokes on 11, 8, 3 strokes on 11, 8, again 3 strokes on 11, 8, 10, 8, again give stroke on 8 and slide to 6, 6, 8, 6 and slide down to 8, again give stroke on 6, 8 and slide down to 11, 8. Not as complicated as it looks. Let's play it together slow one more time. Right, I hope you got that. After this, it goes like this. So give 2 strokes on 8th fret, 2 strokes on 10, 11, 10, 10, 11, 3 strokes on 10, 11, 10, 8, 10, 2 strokes on 6, give stroke on 8 and put it on 6, 4 and slide up to 3, 4 and slide down to 6. So what you're playing is right, you have to play this whole part one more time, which is exactly the same, but there is a slight change in the middle, so I'll play it for you once. Right, so I hope you have noticed the change in the middle. So it again starts on 6th fret, till here it is exactly the same. After this you just have to slide up to 6 and 4 like this. Right, then give a stroke on 4, and after that give 2 strokes on 10, and after that it is exactly the same like this. Right, I hope you got that. So this is where the first stanza of the song and my tutorial ends. I hope this video was helpful in the tabs for the song Paniyon Sa from the movie Satyameva Jayate. For any doubts, queries, requests or any other thing, you can get in touch with me on Instagram. My Insta ID is right over here. And please don't forget to drop a like for this video, guys. And please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. And thanks for watching.